Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19S, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So, to get started, we want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System, select Advanced, and then Reset Options, where you'll find Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now once you press on this, it will give you a message that performing this will remove basically everything that is listed right here, but most importantly, I would say there's only a couple of things that I would care about, so photos, music, and user data, because the rest of them can be re-downloaded, so I don't consider this losing. So anyway, if you want to keep some of those things, do back it up beforehand, but assuming you have already done it or you simply don't want to, then select Reset Phone. If you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it before you actually see this page right here. And from there, click on Erase Everything, and this will begin the process. Now this will probably take about a minute to like 5 minutes max, at which point once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.